we don't need to appease you, and can't do anything to please you other than to believe you. And this is how we make it through this world where our performance falls short, and yet we press toward our true identity. And this is how we receive victory. Beloved child of God, let the rain come down in this dark and final hour, to wash away your worthlessness in the love that falls as a shower. Receive repentance for selfishness that bred fear and pride. Accept your identity as a beloved son of the Most High.
It has taken me many years to see the key that sets me free. It's not in money, not in looks, not in how smart I am with books, not my strength nor my might that is helping me to win the fight. Beloved son, in whom I am his delight.
Beloved child of God, let the rain come down in this dark and final hour, to wash away your worthlessness in the love that falls as a shower. Receive repentance for selfishness that bred fear and pride. Accept your identity as a beloved son of the Most High. To a higher capacity, it doesn't matter if I fail, His love for me will always prevail. By beholding the begotten Son, we become changed. No longer are we left orphaned and estranged.
This is our true destiny, to rediscover our identity. Let the rain fall down. Let the rain fall down. Arise, beloved sons and daughters, arise.
Beloved child of God, let the rain come down in this dark and final hour, to wash away your worthlessness in the love that falls as a shower. Receive repentance for selfishness that bred fear and pride. Accept your identity as a beloved son of the Most High.